Hey, welcome back. Non-consensual towing. Anyway, I'm rolling over here to meet another one of our drivers. This property called in, I don't know, 5 or 6 handicapped parking spots, and we got to tow some vehicles out of those spots. But it's Saturday, man, so it's not the best time. I guess it's 2:30. There is going to be 2 of us. We're going to run together on these. Makes it a little bit safer if you're running doubles, which I'm glad we could run together. Anyway, we'll see what happens. It's going to be interesting to see how this play out. He's already got one payout. Jeremy paid one out, paid a drop before he got it signed out. All right, you got it. I'll follow you up, man. Okay. It's a Benz. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, that's a pretty tight one. I might need to try to pull it this way. Yeah, I'm gonna have a better angle if I pull it the other way. Anyway, y'all, we got that handicapped cheater. Got them loaded up. That was nice. It's always nice to get a handicapped cheater. Right now, we've only got there's quite a few that have been stickered, but we've only got the green light on a few. And Jeremy's trying to find another one. He's already got one, and a couple of them have moved out of their spots. Since we pulled up, since he got here, quite a few of them have moved out of the handicap spots. So that's what happens. They see tow guys come rolling around. They start moving the cars.
There's one more over here, but he didn't give me a picture for it. So he's calling the manager to see if he wants it on. It's stickered for today too.
Hey, I'm gonna pull straight back that way and go back around and get out of sight of this building.
Yeah, I'm gonna loop around right here because it's back over that way.
Okay.
You'll see it.
Okay. I'll meet you up on the other end. Anyway, this property decided they're not going to tow this one here yet. Sometimes they do that. They stickered it, but they decided they're going to hold off. A lot of times they'll get wishy-washy about what they're going to tow. And that's pretty common doing private properties. But anyway, we got, like I said, we got what we came for. We got another handicapped cheater on the hook. That's what we go after. That's for sure. Go after the cheaters, man. Back on it, just pulled in. We were over here a couple of days ago, and we left. We got a van we left over here the other night. Got too late, and we couldn't get it. But we're gonna go back here and hook it. Manager wants it gone. It's got expired tag, and it's being used to store stuff in. like an outside storage. We may have some controversy, and we might not. Nonetheless, we're gonna hook it. Yeah. Yeah, see, it got all this stuff. Yeah. 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 I need somebody to put me on the Instagram, and I got a few TikToks, but I need some exposure across different social media sites. I need to spread my social media footprint. Like maybe she can get some clicks off my video. Anyway. Oh man, that'll work. I'm gonna roll. You know what we do? We yank cars. I think she probably knew the person who owned the vehicle, or either it was theirs, but it's got a bad tag on it. She's being used for outside storage, and it got yanked. That's just what happens, man. That's the way it goes. It was stickered too. I got the tag and everything. They took pictures of everything. I'm sure that she's gonna try to claim it wasn't stickered, but we got pictures of the vehicle sticker, and they peeled the sticker off. Anyway, stay tuned. Huh? Yeah, that's what they called in. Hey, listen, I think all you got to do is move it. I tell you, listen, the code enforcement, you probably don't know. Listen, a lot of these units, you probably see it on the news, these apartment units, when they go up, hey, there's people in them, and they have to clear the units out. People have burned up in them. And
yeah,
hey, code enforcement
moved out of here like a year ago.
Yeah.
And they just
code enforcement won't let you have it by the unit. The reason being is people pull them in hot, and then and the mufflers will heat the siding up. So just move it all off of here.
I didn't.
Yeah, they just put that on there.
Yesterday?
Yeah, no, it was yesterday. Yeah, it's going.
That ain't fair.
I know, but hey, at least you didn't get towed. You know what I'm saying? At least you know.
Out of town.
Yeah, yeah. Hey,
stolen.
it's just code enforcement is really strict on this right here particular. But she's got other cars and stuff she's towing. She knows this unit. She didn't know it was yours. She knows this unit right here is empty, right? It's empty.
And they leave all this crap's been
and
here
see,
for
so
a
she
year.
didn't know this bike was yours. If she could have put a face with the bike, she wouldn't even probably would have just knocked on your door. Yeah, she didn't know it was yours. That's all that happened. She may have thought it was stolen herself, you know. Anyway, thanks, man. Have a good one, sir. You need help getting it out, or you got it?
Nah, I bet.
Okay, thanks, man. Yep. Got that problem solved. That unit's a vacant unit, and that manager didn't know whose bike that was. I guarantee she had no idea whose motorcycle it was, because he's got it parked in a vacant unit where he's not taking. He's trying to not take up parking, is what he's trying not to do, and keep his bike probably closer to the building. That building right there must have burned down. Usually when you see a slab like that, that's from a building that caught fire, and I'm pretty certain that that's what happened. There's my Scion back there. I just passed my Scion. We're going back in here and get it.